Good morning. Welcome to online classes. My name is M. Naidu, Padmavati Junior College Principal. Today discuss the topic integration, Maths 2B problems. Integral 1 minus 1 by x square e power x plus 1 by x dx. Let x plus 1 by x equal to t. So x యొక్క derivation 1 by x derivation 1 by x square of dx equal to dt. Okay, the integration can be written as e power x plus 1 by x 1 minus 1 by x square dx. So e power x plus 1 by x equal to t కాబట్టి ఇంటిగ్రల్ e పవర్ t. సో దీని ప్లేస్లో dt వస్తుంది. dt e పవర్ t యొక్క ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ e పవర్ t ప్లస్ c. e పవర్ t మీన్స్ వాట్ ఇస్ ద వాల్యూ ఆఫ్ t? x plus 1 by x, x plus 1 by x plus c. Now second problem. Integral 1 by root sin inverse x root 1 minus x square dx. Let sin inverse x equal to t. What is the derivation of sin inverse x? Sin inverse x derivation 1 by root 1 minus x square dx is equal to dt. Okay, the integration can be written as integral 1 by root sin inverse x into 1 by root 1 minus x square dx. Okay, sin inverse x equal to t కాబట్టి that equal to integral 1 by root t dt, because 1 by root 1 minus x square dx equal dt. 1 by root t integration integral of 1 by root x dx equal to 2 root x. Okay, that is the formula. 1 by root x ఉంటే 2 root x కాబట్టి 1 by root t ఉంటే 2 root t plus c. What is the value of t? T equal to sin inverse x. So 2 root sin inverse x plus c. Next, third problem. Integral sin power 4x by cos power 6x dx. Okay, solution. This integration can be written as sin power 4x by cos power 4x into 1 by cos square x dx. Okay, sin by cos tan అవుతుంది, that equal to power 4 ఉంది కాబట్టి integral tan power 4x 1 by cos secant కాబట్టి square ఉంది కాబట్టి secant square x dx. Okay, let tan x equal to t. Now the derivation tan x equal to derivation secant square x dx equal to dt. Okay, this integration can be written as tan x place లో t వస్తుంది కాబట్టి t power 4 secant square x dx place లో dt వస్తుంది, so that equal dt. t power 4 integration, so you know that x power n integration x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Okay, so t power 4 కాబట్టి 4 plus 1 5 అవుతుంది, that equal t power 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 plus c, that equal to t power 5 by 5 plus c. What is the value of t? Tan x. Tan x power 5 by 5 plus c, that is the required answer. Next, fourth problem. X power 5 by 1 plus x power 12 dx. Okay, solution. This integration can be written as x power 5 by 1 plus x power 6 whole square dx. Let x power 6 equal to t. x power 6 యొక్క డెరివేషన్ 6x power 5 dx is equal to dt. So that implies, so x power 4 dx, x power 5 dx equal to dt by 6. Okay, okay, thus the integration can be written as 1 by 1 plus x power 6 whole square into x power 5 dx. Okay, that equal to 1 by x power 6 equal to 1 plus t square x power 5 dx equal to dt by 6. So 1 by 6 is constant, 1 by 6 integral 1 by 1 plus t square dt. Okay, integral 1 by 1 plus x square dx equal to tan inverse x, that is the formula. Okay, integration formula, that equal to 1 by 6 tan inverse t, x plus t ఉంది కాబట్టి t plus c, that equal to 1 by 6 tan inverse, what is the value of t? T equal to x power 6 plus c. Okay, next quick problem. Integral 6x by 3x square minus 2 dx. Okay, let 3x square minus 2 equal to t. What is the derivation of 3x square? 6x. 2x derivation 0. 6x dx equal to dt. Okay, the given integration can be written as integral 1 by 3x square minus 2 into 6x dx, that equal to integral 1 by t 6x dx equal to dt. So that equal log mod t plus c, because integral 1 by x dx equal to log mod x, that equal log mod, what is the value of t? T equal to 3x square minus 2 plus c. Okay, this is problem. The integration of e power x 1 plus x cos square x e power x dx, let x e power x equal to t. Now the derivation x e power x uv formula, uv dash plus vu dash derivation, x e power x derivation e power x into x derivation 1 of dx equal to dt. That implies e power x plus 1 dx equal to dt. The given integration can be written as 1 by cos square x e power x equal to t. So t e power x into 1 plus x dx equal dt. So dt 1 by cos square secant square t dt. What is the integration of secant square? Tan t plus c. So that equal tan, what is the value of t? X e power x plus c. Next one problem. What is the integration of cos root x by root x dx? Let root x equal to t. So that implies root x derivation 1 by 2 root x dx equal to dt. Okay, that implies 1 by root x dx equal to 2 dt. Okay, the given integration can be written as cos root x into 1 by root x dx. Okay, so root x equal t, so that equal to integral cos t 1 by root x dx equal to 2 dt. 2 is constant, constant value integration ముందుకు వస్తుంది. cos t dt, cos t యొక్క ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ అంతా sin t, so sin t plus c. Since integral cos x dx equal to sin x. Okay, so that equal to sin t means root x plus c. Okay, now eighth problem, find the integration of 2x plus 1 by x square plus x plus 1 dx. Okay, the denominator let us take t. Let x square plus x plus 1 is equal to t. So now derivation is x square derivation 2x, x derivation 1 of dx is equal to dt. Okay, the given integration can be written as integral 1 by x square plus x plus 1 into 2x plus 1 of dx. Okay, that equal to integral 1 by t dt, 2x plus 1 into dx equal dt, that is log mod t plus c. So that equal to log mod t. What is the value of t? T means x square plus x plus 1 plus c. Okay, that is the c is integration constant. Now ninth problem, find the integration of 1 plus log x power whole power n by x dx. Okay, let us take, let 1 plus log x equal to t. Okay, 1 యొక్క derivation 0, log x derivation 1 by x dx is equal dt. So the given integration can be written as 1 plus log x whole power n 1 by x dx. Okay, that equal to 1 plus log x equal t kabatti integral t power n. So this can be written as dt. So x power n formula, x power n plus 1 by n plus 1, that equal to t power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. What is the value of t? 1 plus log x whole power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. Next one problem, find the integration of e power log x, e power log x by x dx. Let log x equal to t implies log x derivation 1 by x dx equal to dt. So that integration can be written as e power log x into 1 by x dx. So that equal to integral e power t dt. What is the integration of e power t? E power t plus c. Okay, that equal to e power, what is the value of t? Log x plus c. So e power log x is equal to log e cancel అవుతుంది x అన్నమాట value. Okay, so that equal to x plus c since. Okay, now examples, find the integration of tan x and cot x. Okay, solution. First one is integral tan x dx. Okay, this can be written as integral sin x by cos x dx. Okay, let cos x equal to t. That implies cos x derivation minus sin x dx equal to dt. Okay, So that implies sin x dx equal to minus dt. Okay, that implies 1 by t sin x dx equal to minus dt. So minus munduku vastundi, integral 1 by t dt. So 1 by t, that is log mod t, minus log mod t plus c. What is the value of t? T equal to cos x. So minus log mod cos x plus c. This can be written as minus power loki vaste log cos inverse x. Cos x ante 1 by cos x. 1 by cos x means that equal to log mod secant x plus c. Okay, power inverse avutundi cos inverse x. Cos inverse x means 1 by cos x, that equal to log mod secant x. Therefore the integration of tan x is equal to dx equal to minus log mod cos x or log mod secant x, okay, plus c. That is the formula of the integration of tan x. Again now second one solution. Find the integration of cot x. Same in similar way, cot x dx, that equal to integral of cos x by sin x. Denominator value ni t అనుకోవాలి. Let t equal to sin x equal to t implies cos x dx equal to dt. So that this the given integration can be written as 1 by sin x into 1 by t dt. 1 by t log mod t plus c. What is the value of t? Sin x. So that equal to log mod sin x plus c. Therefore the integration of cot x dx equal to log mod sin x plus c. Okay, our class is over. Next class lo continue చేద్దాం.
Yeah.